to my YouTube channel today. I have been talking to you about opportunities for entrepreneurship. And this morning, I want to tell you specifically about opportunity that is available for investors to invest in agriculture. I've made about two videos talking about the farming of maize, or also called corn. Now, I've laid out the business plan previously, and I've made it known that maize, the farming of maize, by our calculation, we need 330,000 naira to farm 1 hectare of farmland of maize. With this 330,000 naira, we are going to make 900,000 naira as turnover. So our profit margin is about 570,000, and that is within 3 months. The profit margin is 570,000 naira within a space of 3 months. Now, what I want is that I want investors that can come in and join me in making this a reality, in making this happen. I want investors that can join me in making this happen. I'm trying to type some things in here so that we can share it together. I am looking for investors at the moment so that if investor can decide the slot they want to take, you can take one slot. One slot is 33,000 naira, and you are going to make about 90% of that in a space after harvesting in 3 months. After harvesting in 3 months. So if you are interested, you can contact me as soon as you can. If you are interested, you can contact me as soon as you can. So this is an investment opportunity. I have a name, I have a brand. Our government have encouraged us to go into farming in around here. We do the whole work for you. Previously, I've stated out everything it entails. Now, the whole homework, we are the ones that will do it. All you have to do is to invest. Invest in what you are doing, and then we are going to share the profit together. We are going to share the profit together. So that is what I'm talking about at this time. If you are interested in this venture, email me at neugbenga@yahoo.com, neugbenga@yahoo.com, or WhatsApp, send me a WhatsApp message at 080 36910988. Anywhere you are in the world, you can be a partaker. I am based in Nigeria, and you can do background check on me. I'm a man of integrity, and I have integrity. So whatever slot you are planning to take, you are free to let us know. So 330,000 naira is going to give us a profit of 570,000 naira per hectare of maize. If you can drop that 330,000 naira, we will farm, we will do we will carry out the whole process on your behalf, and then we are going to share the profit. If you can give us 660,000 naira, we carry out the whole process, the whole farming process, and in 3 months, we share the profit. So just look at the business plan. If you give us for 330,000 naira, the profit you are going to make is 570,000 naira per hectare of maize, and that is harvesting will be done in 3 months. Now, if you can give us a percentage of that, a lower percentage or a higher percentage, we do the business on your behalf, we do everything on your behalf, and then at the end of the day, we share the profits together. So that is all I want to say for now. If you are interested, contact me at 080 or by my email, neugbenga. This video is live streamed currently. I'm going to upload it on my YouTube channel so that you can make your comment below and maybe drop your contact or phone number. I also can contact you, and our partners are going to contact you also in the process. We are now in the month of January. By March, April, the planting season will start. By March, April, the planting season will start, and then we can count from that planting season, 3 months from the planting season, then we are done with this for this year. So I will be expecting your call. I'll be expecting your message. Have a great week and have a great January, February, and March. I'll talk to you about another business very soon. Bye for now.